Hello everyone, welcome to part second of this series. So in this video we are going to see what is database. So without wasting any time, let's start. And if you like this video, please do like and subscribe and share with your friends who is going to start SQL. So let's start without wasting any time. So what is database? So database is something where we structured repository. I will first read this definition. A database is a structured repository that stores data in an organized manner for easy access and management. So I will take one example. Suppose library. So in library there is a various shelves, and in that shelves there is a various books. But every book is structurized as per their manner, as per their alphabetical words, or as per classes, or as per their requirements, whatever student requirements. So like this way, database is a central repository system of every language, in every language or every industry. Wherever you can go, database is a very main part of that industry. So just take an overview. I will explain it in depth when we start our lectures, practical lectures. But take a overview and remind this definition, so it will helpful for you. A database is a structured repository that stores data in an organized manner for easy access and management. And there is a three types of data: structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. So then our next is inner workings of database. So what is the inner workings of database? So there are the three types of inner working of database. That is data storage, data manipulation, and data retrieval. Okay. So if you want, you can take a screenshot of this and like remind these definitions. So it will helpful for you. And I will read it one by one. So data storage. So databases rely on data storage systems such as tables, files, or documents to organize and store data efficiently. So in data storage, we store our data in the forms of tables, files, or documents, whatever data we want. Then there is a next part, that is data manipulation in database. So in data manipulation, we insert data, update data, delete data, whatever functions we want to do, that functions we do in the data manipulation. And after that there is a third process, that is data retrieval. So in data retrieval, we write some SQL queries and fetch the data from the servers or whatever, like there is any different servers as per the company. So some use Oracle, some use SQL, some use PLSQL. So as like that, everyone use different servers, and to fetch the data or to retrieve the data, we write some queries and like that. Then the last thing, the role of databases in this digital age industry. So big data analytics, we use data bases for data cloud computing, for machine learning. So in every industry or in every languages or in every thing in this world, that is data and database. Okay, so remind this one thing. So that's it for this video. Now from the next video, we are going to start our important topics. So this is just a definition. If you want, you can take the screenshots of these definitions and remind it. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please do like and subscribe and share with your friends.